Welcome to Maths lesson number 2, numbers to 10. Let's review. Let's talk about what we learned in lesson number 1. We learned about counting. How many do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So we practiced our counting skills. And we learned about our number names. We see this number and we know we say this is number 10. Very good. So practice counting skills and number names. What number is it? 1, 2, 3. 3 giraffes. What number is it? We practice our counting skills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I see 6 purple circles. What number is it? 1, 2. I see 2. Our number names. Can you remember what is this number? Number 7. Very good. The number 7. Again, how many do you see? We count 1. 1. I see 1 happy lion. What a big number. How many parrots do you see? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I see 9 parrots. Good counting skills again. Can you remember what is this number? If we have this many, it's called 0. I have 0. How many monkeys do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. 8 monkeys. And now the last one for review. Can you remember what is this number? This number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, something a little bit tricky is we need to remember the number names. So we're going to practice matching the spelling to the number. Let's see. This is 0. How do I know? Because it's a Z for 0. We do not expect the students to spell or read the full word, but if you need to match, what I will teach you is 0, look for Z. So it is 0. Again, this one, 1, number 1. If we need to match to the spelling, we can look for this one. And it's a little bit strange because it's spelled with an O. But if you remember, 1 is O, you can match. O-N-E, 1. Next number must be 2. 2. And it's a short number. 2. T-W-O. So when you see the number 2, you match to the short t word. Now is another t word, but it's a long t word. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. The next one is a F word. And it is 4. So when you see the number 4, you match to this spelling, 4. The number 5, 5, it's an F, and it's got a V, 5. So again, if the students cannot spell the word yet, that's fine because we did not learn it in Jolly Phonics yet. We do not want them to be able to read it yet, but they can know 5, F, and maybe they can listen for F, and they can know about Even we did not learn them in phonics yet, it's just a little thing to help them. The next number, 6, and again, it's short sound, 6. So we know it's a S. The snake is in the grass, 6. So I match the number 6 to this number, 6, S-I-X. The next one is another S word, but it's a little bit longer than 6, and it is called 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number 7. the number name. The next number name we see is 8, and it's a tricky one. Look at how we spell that. Students do not need to know how to spell just yet, but is the first word, 8. So if we see the number 8, we match to E-I-G-H-T, 8. The next one is a word, 9, 9. So we match the number 9 to N-I-N-E, 9. And the last one is another word, 10. And it's another short word, 10. Okay, very good. So I know that is a little bit tricky, so I want you to practice at home reading the number names and matching to the number. So worksheet 1 will help you to practice. We have the number 1, so we just write the number name. O-N-E, O-N-E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will help the students to recognize the word, and it will help the students to practice their handwriting too. So they must know the number name, but please, it will not be on a spelling test. So if they don't know how to spell every single word, that is fine. We are just practicing recognizing, seeing, and looking. So if they do not know how to spell all, please do not worry. Workbook page number 4. Here is workbook page number 4. Again, you count the insects and you match to the number name. So, example, I will count how many bumblebees I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bumblebees. Which word is 6? I know 6 is S, and I know 6 is short. So I will look for the short S word, and I see here 6. The bumblebee will go to 6. And again, you match the number to the number name. Okay, so this is workbook page number 5. 3 goes to the spelling, the number name 3. 9 goes to the number name 9. Please practice at home. Parents, if you need to help with the reading, that is okay. And then the last one is workbook page number 6, and we see a lovely, lovely snowman. So the snowman is wearing different clothes on different body parts, like we are learning in science. Example, he has a tie, 0, 0 neckties. So we write the number 0 and we write the number name 0. Scarf. How many scarves do you see? 1 scarf on his neck, 1 scarf on his arm. I see 2 scarves. Write the number 2 and write the number name 2, T-W-O. If you don't know how to spell, go back to page number 5. Remember, all these words are on page number 5. So you count how many, you write the number name, and you write the number. Okay, so please practice at home. Please practice matching the number to the number name. It's not about a spelling test, it's about matching and recognizing the numbers. If you have any questions, I am available on Class Dojo. Please message me anytime, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.